Hi everyone, it's Mark here from Feetology Podiatry Centre. Over the past few videos, we've been working through a progression of exercises to help your feet move and function better. We started by waking the foot up again, improving mobility, then moved into control and stability, and more recently looked at helping things settle down when they're being irritated. The next step is rebuilding strength, particularly through the calf muscles. A lot of people improve initially, but then struggle once activity begins again because the foot and calf hasn't built their strength back up yet. So today, I want to show you a simple calf raise that focuses on slow, controlled strength, not pushing through pain and not rushing. To start, stand near a wall, bench or kitchen counter so you've got something nearby for balance as needed. Place your feet about hip width apart. From here, slowly rise up onto your toes as high as you can comfortably. Pause briefly at the top, then slowly lower yourself back down under control. The lowering phase is just as important as the lifting. Try not to bounce, rush, or use momentum. We want this to be smooth and controlled. A really common mistake is people trying to push through pain or do too many too quickly. The exercise shouldn't feel like work, but it shouldn't significantly flare things up afterwards. The goal is gradual loading, giving the muscles and tissues enough work to build strength without overdoing it. For most people, starting with a small number done well is far more effective than trying to do lots. If you've been dealing with heel pain, arch pain, calf tightness, or you feel like things improve but don't hold up when activity increases again, this is often an important stage in recovery. And as always, if exercises aren't helping or symptoms keep returning, it's worth getting things properly assessed. You can call us on 3820-6326 or book online at feetology.com.au. I'll see you next time.